Hi, today I want to present the WorkMatch, the app that connects job seekers and hiring managers for better job matches and job satisfaction. So here we are on a homepage, on a suggested tab. These are AI suggested profiles based on my best matches with these hiring managers. So the improvements that I have incorporated since the last prototype version is the active user dot. I made that dot pop out more by changing the background of this card to a darker one, so it really stands out. I also increased the size of the dot and added a subtle shadow. So this page scrolls, so I can scroll through the profiles. I can load more profiles if I want. My most favorite interaction in this prototype is definitely the conditional logic that I built in for favorites tab that says if favorites are equal to 0, then I see this no favorites yet message. However, the moment there's at least one or more than one, then I can see all these profiles showing on my favorites tab. I can remove them from the favorites, I can remove them from the suggested tab, and now we have the number back to 0, so we're gonna see the no favorites yet message again. So really cool interaction. Another minor detail that I improved is I have a hover state now on the unselected star, but I also have a hover state on the selected star. So now let's look into the chat experience. So here we see the AI icebreaker. User can go and regenerate the icebreaker. They can go and edit it and send that to the chat. And then we see a little micro interaction, just kind of indication that the other user is typing. The improvements in this experience are again the increase in the dot and the subtle shadow in the back, so the dot is popping out a little bit more, and then as well adding a little bit more information about the person that I'm typing with, so adding a company name and the location. In addition, the hit target size for the back arrow has been increased to increase success rate. So it brings me back to my previous page. And then also the logo now links back from all the pages to my homepage. So on the chats tab, I can also enter my last chats. And on the profile page, so this is the new page that I have added. And here user can scroll through all the form fields that are listed on this page. And then I have this clear all button that will visually clear out all the fields on this page. And then I can do autofill. And then what that would do is it would pull out all the data from LinkedIn and populate this user profile page. In addition, on this page, I have added accordions. So all the information is kind of grouped into sections. And these accordions have 4 different states. So we have here the closed default, the closed hover, then we have the expanded hover, and then expanded default.